What's going on, guys? Danny here, or Wi-Fi Astronaut. Today we are going to be talking about finding wholesale suppliers by using what I call the Google search method. Now, it's one of the ways where you can find the most suppliers in one sitting, or distributors or wholesalers kind of in one sitting, as they're all online, they're on Google. They may not be advertised that great, so you got to go through, search through, go to the different tabs in Google. Got to go to the second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, and keep going until you run out of distributors and wholesalers to sign up with. Now, it's important to keep in mind that maybe less than 10% of these will be profitable. Maybe, like it's the profitability on a wholesale and a distributor is something that comes on the back end, right? And I could talk about that in other videos. But this right now is just how to find them, right? How to, when you're first starting, how to initially find them, or eventually you would do this and then you would teach someone else to do this for you. All right, so let's switch here. All right, so look, so this is how you would start, and this is how I would start and recommend anyone start. So first of all, you're gonna want to pick your category, whether that's beauty, personal health, sports and outdoors, anything. You're gonna want to pick your category. So let's start here. Let's go really specific. Let's go fishing, all right? So the way you're going to want to start this is by searching local, right? So we're going to start, in this case, I'm going to do fishing equipment. And and that would also fall under like sports and outdoors. But we're going to search specifically for fishing equipment. And you're going to want to start local. So what I would do is fishing equipment, distributor near me. Oh, sorry. You could do near me, but you should do the city you live in. So I live in Miami. So we're going to do fishing equipment, distributor, Miami. And right away, we got Miami Fishing Supply. Now, a lot of these may be retail storefronts here. Wholesale fishing tackle. Let's keep looking. So these are a few. And then what you would do is you just look through these, right? It's just you go down the list and just look through them. So here is clearly a fishing store, or this looks more like a retail storefront, even though it is pretty bad. Here just has a few different shops. Let's see. No. Okay, so this is where you could go to order online, and then you look through, and this looks like you can just add to cart. Maybe does look like this one. You just add to cart. Usually, you'd have to sign up. So this is all right. So this is the case where they also looks like they sell retail, but you would want to email one of these emails right here, or call and say, say name your company, say you're interested in buying their fishing equipment. So a lot of my emails will be formatted such as, if I know a specific product they carry, I'll say, I'm interested in this product. Here's the UPC. Please send me back case pack information for this product. And you could also ask for a large feed of all of their UPCs, case packs, and prices. And you could also include in there, so I would include in there my Florida resale certificate, and my EIN, and my DUNS number. And if you guys don't know what that is, I could go over that in another video. If you guys want, just let me know. But yeah, so this is the way I'd find them. And then as I would go through this whole list, I would go through all of Miami. I would just go all the way through, or normally I'd have a VA do this, go all the way through, click through on each of them. And then eventually, instead of Miami, I would do Florida. And I'd go through this whole list, right? We'd go through fishing equipment distributors in Florida. Let's add an S there. Fishing equipment distributors in Florida. You change that to wholesalers. And then look here, wholesaler, fishing tackle, or is a retailer buyer's guide. But we would just go through all the pages. And then eventually we would go to Southeast. We'd go to Southeast. And so here you go, look, Southeastern fishing tackle, and we would just look through these. And then like on this page, for example, we would go to like the contact us, and we would say in here, we're interested in buying at wholesale, or sometimes there's another button down here. There's not. We would just, again, click the contact and just say we're interested in buying at wholesale. And then eventually you would do national, just to find national distributors and wholesalers. So here you go. Here's one. Wholesale has a bunch of different manufacturers, and it looks like a lot of these fishing people don't have like wholesale applications. But this is something where you'd call right here or email right there and say you'd like to set up a wholesale account, And once you kind of get like a script down, you can almost copy and paste it, but you want to make sure it's specific to the company you're contacting. And another important thing to note is that these people are getting I want to say like hundreds of emails a week, tens of hundreds of emails a week on people wanting to open up wholesale accounts to then sell on Amazon. So you really have to stick out. And one way to stick out is like how I just said. When you email these people, you want to be on it. Like, you want to know all the vocab, all the terms and vocab you need to know. You need to have that down. You need to ask for, have the UPC maybe you already want. So put that in the email, have your EIN, your reseller certificate ready, make sure you have a commercial address you could use. You need to have all that stuff squared away so you sound as professional as possible when going through this process. Because they will, they have a lot of other opportunities to sell to other people, so they don't really need you. We need them more than they need us, right? Now, as you open up these accounts, you'll notice a lot of them aren't profitable right away. Maybe a few are, and that's good. You're going to start with those and build up that relationship. I can go over in another video how to make a non-profitable wholesaler profitable just by the relationship and kindling that. Let me know if you guys want to see that video. If not, I hope you enjoyed this kind of quick tutorial. I have no clue how long I was going, but this is, I think, my first video on my channel. So leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. I'm going to be posting probably twice a week, probably Wednesday and Friday, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I haven't decided yet, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.